Hello, and today I am recovering this drop-in chair seat. Well, I suppose not so much recovering, but refurbing. And to start off with any of these things, you end up having to pull all of the staples that were in it out so that you can get to the inside. This had failed inside, so I'm wanting to be as careful as possible so that I can reuse the fabric so that it still looks the same as the other chairs that are the same as this. So it's carefully take out all of the staples, and you can see the board inside has broken. So what I'm having to do is to take it apart. I guess I recovered this chair about 5 years ago. And then take out the bit of board that's inside. I'm using that bit as a template to draw around, and I'm using a 5.5mm ply to go back into the chair frame. So it's just a little bit thicker, a little bit stronger than the one that was in there before. I'm going to apologise for the noise here because, well, what you're supposed to do having drawn round it, you cut it out with a jigsaw. Where are we? The nail gun makes it really easy just to attach the new piece into the chair frame. Anyway, this is sped up a bit. Basically here you want to try and pull everything as tight as possible. So what I will always start with doing is putting in one staple from each side, going opposite, and you just want to get everything as tight as possible. And yeah, I have removed a couple of staples as I've gone just to get things a little bit tighter. The tighter you get it, the smoother the finished result will be, but it's never going to be completely perfect because there's not a huge amount of fabric to hang on to and pull, because I'm reusing the old fabric, and normally what would happen is you'd pull it all tight and then cut off the excess. And if you notice on the blue fabric, I'm keeping the staples well in, which means that when I pop the bottom cloth back on, I'm not going to see any of the staples that were holding the blue cloth on. The bottom cloth staples are all right round the edge. So all that work just to replace that one bit of board that has failed. Anyway, thank you for watching and enjoy.